We have the hiccups.
I can't wait to see if he was going to really challenge Chang. Someone was able to get the shot pass. The shot blocker for the little hole. But those layups are generally the pressure is behind and gets moved underneath. But Bruno's going to commit to pressuring the ball. They're going to have to give up three baskets for Kentucky. So they've got to be very judicious with their
What's he looking at?
on the pressure defense. I can go with the view. Not in many. Country music's party of the year. Don't miss all your favorite stars live. Las Vegas at the Academy of Country Music Awards. That's tomorrow all the way on CBS America's #1 network. Here's what I'm concerned about, guys, about Kentucky. We're shooting 63%. Google's 38%. It feels like it's been dominating.